All right, today I'm taking a look at the TESmart dual monitor HDMI switch. So there is the guy. So you can see it's got 4 inputs and 2 outputs. It's got a pretty cool look to it. It's like a hammerhead or something like that. We got our audio jack. We got our dip switches on the side. Our A input selector, our B input selector. So this is going to be for our 2 different monitors, which input we want to use going to it. We got our infrared receiver for the remote, power light, and the on-off switch. On the back, we got our power jack. We got our 2 outputs, so this is for our 2 monitors. And then we got 4 inputs. So we can plug whatever we want to in here. We can use our computer with 2 outputs, so we can have going straight through it, passing through to the monitors. Put in a PlayStation, laptop, whatever we want. And we also have what looks like a fiber optic port for audio. We got our power brick. And I like these because it's not like a USB plugging into anything. It's everything all in one. So that's the way I prefer it. And the remote. So on the back, we got our battery compartment. Looks like it does not come with a battery, so you have to buy a battery for it. And then we have our input selector for channel A and channel B. So the same thing you got right here, you got on the remote. So nice to have. All right, so now I've got my laptop over here and I've got my desktop over here. And I've got this extended to these 3 displays. So I got my mouse down here, and now I've got it up here. And now I've got it up on the top. What's neat about this is I can really configure this any way that I want. So if I want to, I could actually have both of these monitors mirroring each other. So I could swap this to my second output. So both of these monitors are now my second output. So you can see I'm moving my mouse here and up there at the same time. Now if I want to go to my desktop, I can swap whichever one I want. So I could swap number 3. So now I have my desktop here, and I have my laptop up top. So if I wanted to, I could like watch YouTube videos or stream or whatever on my laptop, and I could use my desktop just for gaming. And that way I wouldn't have to use any of the resources from my desktop to do any of the other features that I want to do over there. So pretty awesome. And then there you go. So now I got both on my desktop. And I could configure this any way I wanted to. So if I wanted to, I could make my primary monitor my laptop, and the top monitor my desktop. So it's really a very versatile HDMI switch. So that's a pretty awesome way to go.